Guys, this happened. There was a criminal who was ordered and who was punished to sentenced to the death, and officers thought that let us do some experiment on this criminal. And the officer goes to the criminal and they tell him that like if we hang you, it will take 1 minute of the time, and in that 1 minute the bone of your neck will be broken, and in the 1 minute it will like you will be suffering a lot. But what we are thinking to do is like we will get a cobra and we will make that cobra to bite you, and you will just feel like a needle being pricked to you, and in just 1 second whole poison will be in your body and you will be dying in just 1 second. So the criminal accepts this and he tells that yeah, I'm okay with this experiment. And when the day comes where this was gonna supposed to happen, he sits on the chair, and in front of him the man comes with the cobra, and he stands in front of the criminal. And just before this experiment was supposed to happen, they keep the cobra away, and the man goes towards the criminal and he just pricks the needle to that criminal. Now what happens? After the pricking of the needle, the criminal dies. And you will be shocked to listen this, that after the post-mortem was done, his body was found with full of poison. How did this happen? This happened just because the criminal, when they came up, when the officers came up with the experiment, and when they told that like we're gonna not hang you, we will be getting a cobra, and cobra will be biting the criminal. And the same thing was running in the mind of the criminal till this experiment happened, and his mind was being told that he will be bitten by the cobra and he will be died in just 1 second. And this exactly same thing happened, and exactly what was running in his mind happened this. So guys, this is the power of the mind. Whatever you put to your mind, whatever you tell to your mind, your body will act accordingly. So if you just convince your mind, if you just tell your mind that I need to do this, and I want the result in this way, and I want this thing to be happen, your body will also act accordingly. And when you tell your mind that, suppose for example, if you want to work for 10 hours, and if you tell your mind that no, I want to work for 10 hours and I will do it, so your body will also support you, and you will be able to do that work also. But most of the time it happens that whenever something comes to us, we tell us no for it. We create that negative environment in our mind, and the same thing happens that when you tell that this is going to not happen with me, and it doesn't happen anytime. So you just need to convince your mind. You just need to tell your mind that yeah, this is going to happen. I'm going to do this. It will happen for me, and the results will come for me. And when you put that positive energy into the things which you are doing, you will get the positive. You will be getting the same positive result. As the story tells us that whatever is running in the mind, even in spite that they have given the needle, like they have pricked the needle to the criminal, but it happened that whatever was given to the mind of the criminal, whatever the criminal was thinking in his mind, the same thing happened. The same happens with us also, and we need to convince our mind. We need to tell our mind that yes, I am gonna do this. I'm gonna make sure that this is happen. If I'm putting some goal, or if I'm selecting some goal, it will happen for me. It will be done by me. And when you give that positive energy to something which you're doing, the same thing will be reflecting in the results also. If you put the negative thoughts, and if you tell that this gonna not happen, it will surely not happen, guys. You might have experienced this. So the story and the takeaway from this video is that you need to convince your mind, and your body will support you. No matter how hard is your target, no matter how big your target is, if you convince your mind, and if you tell your mind that yes, I'm gonna do this, I'm gonna achieve this, it will surely happen, guys. So yeah guys, if you love this story, and if you find that this takeaway was really very helpful, please like my video, please comment, and please share. Thank you guys.